Growing up in Iowa during the farm crisis in the late 70s, early 80s really instilled some work ethic and values in me. I really understand what it takes to get things done, waking up at the crack of dawn, staying up late, working hard 7 days a week, and we keep that work ethic with our customers, our employees, and everything that we do at Creative Werks. My name is Bob Folkstead. I am the founder and president of Creative Werks Inc. In the last 14 years, Creative Werks has made great strides in growing as a company. We've transitioned from really an engineering firm to a manufacturing firm with full integrated engineering capabilities. We do mechanical engineering, we do CNC machining, we do electronic circuit design, we produce circuit boards, we do software development, and really the key to what we do that makes us successful is integrating all of those crafts together into one finished product for our customer.
Midwest Industries, our mission is that we lead the world to the water. So that's our mission statement, that we build products that get people to the water, kind of target residential waterfront customers. We're focused a lot on structure and manufacturing and making the components of the boat lift that make it unique and shore station. We do not have a team of electrical engineers or software developers for our product line. I can only imagine what it would cost to employ that kind of talent. So it's great to have a partner that can provide that for us. We're excited and we feel blessed that we've got a partner that understands our product line, understands the needs that our customers have in our product line, and it can help us connect current and emerging technologies to our products so that we can give them the most reliable, best experience they can with our products.
Working with a small U.S. manufacturer versus a larger Asian manufacturer, we're way more flexible. Our production line is set up to run a high mix environment. That means we can make smaller batches of products and we can ship more frequently to you. That way you're not waiting on a container, taking up a bunch of warehouse space, buying 6 months products at a time. It also allows us to stay on top of innovation because in electronics, things change pretty rapidly. So your product might need some software revs or something changed. Well, if you only have 100 of them on the shelf, we can change the next batch of production for you, and you can stay on top of the market and be ahead of your competitors. For the last 2.5 years, we've been producing boards. We build about 70 to 100,000 systems per year right now, based in automotive, industrial vehicle, off-highway, power sports, those type of industries. So our products are designed to be very robust and to meet or exceed the engineering standards used by the largest manufacturers like John Deere and Caterpillar and the automotive manufacturers.
My name is Brian Esther, and I'm the operations manager at Element Des Moines. We're a third-party independent lab, which means we're not tied to the manufacturer in any way. Since we're located in Des Moines, not too far from Creative Werks, where we can take on some testing for Creative Werks and take care of anything that you guys can't handle in-house. We've got different thermal humidity chambers where we can place a sample in a thermal chamber and design a program that would take it from a low temperature, like say -40 C, up through 180 C, and really test the limits of that printed circuit board.
Doing business with Creative Werks, you're kind of giving back because we spend a lot of time and money giving back to our community and to our employees. All of our manufacturing processes are environmentally friendly. We want to leave the community a better place every single day. As we continue to work on advanced manufacturing techniques and innovate in the electronics market, we will be expanding and grow our business even further for our customers and potential customers. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions and need help with any products or service development.